The dental equipment repair industry wasn't built for legacy. It wasn't designed for the spotlight. You weren't expected to lead it. Just serve quietly in the background while someone else collected the check and told the story. And yet, here you are. You fix what no one else understands. You bring practices back from the edge of chaos, on time, on budget, with no drama. You're the reason thousands of dentists get to focus on patients instead of panicking over broken chairs, compressors, and sterilizers. But let's be honest, you're part of one of the most undervalued and misunderstood industries in healthcare. People know dental assistants, they know hygienists, they know orthodontists, but you're the hidden backbone. And that's the problem. Because if you don't define the industry, someone else will. If you don't show your value, you'll get buried under invoices and invisibility. Let's be clear, this is a growth industry. New clinics are opening, private practices are scaling, technology is advancing fast. And every single one of those needs you. So why are we still playing small? See, you were trained to troubleshoot equipment, but no one taught you to build a business. You were told how to service a dental chair, but not how to scale a service brand. You know how to fix problems, but have you learned how to position your voice in the market? This is no longer about turning a wrench. This is about turning the tide. Because what's worse than being underpaid is being necessary but unknown. That's the kind of professional invisibility no one warned you about. And I'm telling you now, that's done. We're not waiting to be seen anymore. We're building platforms, brands, networks. We're showing up with strategy, with intention, and with leverage. We're not just techs, we are service architects, clinical enablers, and profit protectors for practices that would lose tens of thousands without us. This is a movement, and movements don't beg for attention, they command it. So what are you building? What systems are you putting in place so the next tech doesn't have to start from scratch? What kind of name are you leaving behind in an industry that never expects you to be more than a technician? Because the real question isn't whether dental repair will grow, it's who will lead it. And my guess? It's the ones bold enough to bet on themselves.